Good afternoon, children. Our practical assignment 3 today is on a flower, petunia. So as usual, children, since you have already done 2 flowers earlier, so on a new sheet, write down today's date. It's 20th July, practical number 3, and the flower's name is petunia. Complete name is Petunia violacea, under family Solanaceae. In pencil, whatever you can see is crossed. You don't have to write, children. So please write only these 3 things as heading. Petunia in the bracket, Petunia violacea, and below that in the next line you can write family Solanaceae. Your description begins from here. Inflorescence, flowers are born in few flowered cymes. Flowers are bracteate because they have a bract. Pedicellate, they bear a pedicel or a stalk to be attached to stem. Complete because they have all floral whorls. Hermaphrodite, which means bisexual, having male and female reproductive organs. Actinomorphic, which means a symmetry that if we cut a flower in any vertical plane, the 2 portions will be exactly the similar halves. Hypogynous, which means that the ovary is superior and the floral structures are attached below the ovary. I'll just show you a condition. What we call as hypogynous is here. That is, ovary occupies an upper place and all the floral structures are attached below. As you can see, the stamens, the petals and the other structures, they are attached below the ovary. So here it becomes hypogynous. Then pentamerous, because the floral whorls are in numbers of 5 or multiples of 5. Cyclic is the manner how they are arranged in a cyclic fashion in many shades of white and violet. Calyx consists of 5 sepals. Gamosepalous because they are fused. Persistent because the calyx even persists after the process of fertilization. Then volvate estivation. Volvate means an estivation like this. This means that the floral whorls are in contact, as you can see, with each other by their margins without overlapping any. Alright, so this is called as volvate estivation. In others, you can see twisted means they're partially covering, or imbricate like this, where one is totally exterior, one is totally interior, and this is vexillary. Right? This is seen in flower sweet pea that you've done previously, the second flower. Alright, today's estivation is volvate when it comes to calyx and also corolla. Corolla, children, made up of 5 petals. Gamopetalous means they are in a fused condition. They form a tubular corolla. Petunia looks like this, children. You can see this is a corolla tube. I'm sure you've seen this many times in winter. It's in our school in abundance, right? Just at the office area, you can see many of them. Then, wide mouth, funnel-shaped corolla, plicate volvate estivation. Plicate means when the flower is young, the parts are rolled vertically. Imagine a young flower, how the structures are rolled. It is called as plicate. The word is originated from the Latin word meaning plicatus, means a rolled condition. And condition of corolla again, volvate, that is something like this, placed in contact with each other, that is without any overlapping. Then the next is androecium. If you can see here, 5 stamens. Polyandrous. Poly means free, that means they are free from each other. Epipetalous means they are attached to the petals, attached near the base of corolla tube. Anthers basifixed. The term basifixed, children, I'll show you with the diagram. Anthers are of 4 types: adnate, basifixed, dorsifixed and versatile. When you call it as basifixed means the filament is attached to the base of the anther. Alright, this is basifixed. Right? Unlike this, when it is running throughout the whole length, if you can see it clearly, here it is attached at the base of the anther, therefore basifixed. Alright, this is dorsifixed when it is attached at the back of the anther, and this is versatile when it attaches only at a point. Alright, then coming back to the other descriptions. Dithecous. Dithecous means the anther is two-lobed. That means 4 pollen sacs. And introds means it dehisces towards the center of the flower. Coming to gynoecium, bicarpellary means it's made up of 2 carpels. Syncarpous. Syn means the carpels are fused. Ovary is superior. Just now I showed you the condition. The ovary occupies a superior position like this, where the other floral structures are attached at the base of the ovary. Bilocular. The term bilocular means there are 2 locules or compartments, something like this. Here, if we cut the TS of ovary, it shows 2 compartments, 1 and 2. In contrast to other conditions like unilocular, tri, tetra or pentalocular. Today's condition is bilocular. Alright. Then numerous ovules in each locule. Look at this diagram. In each compartment there are many ovules present, and placentation is axile. Alright. So axile means it's attached to the center or axis, something like this. Cutting the TS of ovary, it will be attached all the ovules to the center, that means axile. If it is attached to the edges like this, to the wall of ovary, something like this, what we call as parietal. This is called as marginal, as seen in sweet pea, the legume, and here the free central. So today's is here axile placentation for gynoecium. Then placenta swollen with oblique septum. Look at the partition, children. This is oblique or slightly tilted. Style is long and stigma is bifid. Style is long and stigma is bifid, means it's having 2 heads or is divided into some 2 portions or compartments. Not compartments, but 2 heads kind of structures. Floral formula, I have told you already, it's very significant. BR means bracteate. This sign, a circle and a cross inside, is actinomorphic. A circle and an arrow right, it means bisexual, that is male and female reproductive organs present. K means calyx. 5 means there are 5 sepals. Bracket means they are in gamo condition or fused condition. C means corolla. 5 means there are 5 petals, but bracket again means that they are fused, because you've seen that they are in a tubular condition. A means androecium. 5 means there are 5 stamens, and the connection between C and A shows epipetalous condition. That means the stamens are connected to the petals. G for gynoecium. 2 means bicarpellary, and the line below means the ovary is superior, and bracket means that they are syncarpous or fused. So you will write everything, children, till important features up till here. Alright. So your writing work is very less from starting from here. All this, don't write the meaning of the terms I have written. This is for your understanding, so that you're not confused with what you're writing, because all are technical terms. And finishing part for your writing matter would be at 4th point under important features. Diagrams, they are all at 1 page, Petunia violacea, and there are total of 6 diagrams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Sorry, total of 7 diagrams there. So children, please draw them very nicely, and all of you, I've been seeing your works. You are doing excellent, except 1 or 2 where I've been posting my suggestions in our WhatsApp group. Also, keep a scale, draw the imaginary axis, and see that all the floral parts are at the right proportion and distribution, and mother axis are slightly away, not just attached to the diagram, at this difference of area only, right? So that's all for today, children. Today is 20th, and you will please submit your works on the Google Classroom window by 25th positively. Thank you.